This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Hey, what's up y'all? I'm 1000. I'm an artist from Seattle, Washington. And if you've ever watched my channel before, you know that I am obsessed with designer brands and high fashion. That's not true at all. That's totally false. I don't know anything about sweet couture designer brands. I'm kind of aloof when it comes to that stuff. But one of my friends, one of my fans gave me a Louis Vuitton wallet. That's pretty cool. And he was like, yo, you should paint this. And I was like, that's a brilliant idea. So today I'm gonna be busting out some Angelus Leather Paints and I'm gonna be painting a Louis Vuitton wallet. Hopefully making that fashion better. So let's jump into this thing. I'm gonna start prepping this wallet and we will get painting. All right, first we're gonna hit it with some acetone just in case they put some like protective coating on this wallet. I wanna get that off before I hit it with the leather paint. So I'm just gonna rub this down and take care of that. All right, so I have no idea what I'm gonna paint on this wallet. So I was thinking I should jump on Instagram Live, ask my Instagram followers what to paint on this wallet because I always get some crazy ideas from them. So let's jump on Instagram Live real quick and see what they say. Hey, what's up party people in the place to be? I am painting this leather wallet and I need your ideas on what I should paint on this wallet. Holler at your boy. Let's get this party started. Fancy cats. A koala. Oh, that'd be so cute. Paint a monster. Pizza. Goat chicken. Oh, here comes the goats again. We got 102, 104 people alive right now. Leave some of the emblems on it. I probably will. There'd be no point in painting a Louis Vuitton wallet and then just covering it up completely. Like I could just paint a regular wallet in that case. Koala, kangaroo, owl, Gucci. Coat of armor using their logos. That's kind of cool. Ants. Looks like we're getting a lot of koalas. A Yeti koala, Venus flytrap, rainbow snake, lizard, seahorse. Jeez. All of these could be awesome. Each one could be like super tight in its own individual way. Gucci snake? Is Gucci's symbol a snake? I know nothing about fashion, guys. Sorry. Do one of my characters, but dressed as a hype beast. Oh, yeah. A crazy whale, please. Please. Crazy whale. Georgian koala chillin'. I'm just doing it for the clickbait, y'all. Am I leaning more towards the koala and Georgie? I think maybe. I'll rewatch this and kind of gather my thoughts. Pray for the koalas and the pizzas. Pizzas, koala, Georgie. Definitely a koala, please. You guys. So many great suggestions. I'm working on the video for this right now. I don't know when it will be out. I'm working on like 3 projects at once. But yeah, you guys are super rad. Thanks for tuning into the live stream. Thanks for following me on Instagram. Stay tuned for the YouTube video. I will catch you guys later. Peace out. Well, Instagram Live gave me a bunch of great ideas, but I think I should probably start sketching now and figuring out exactly what I want to do. So now I'm done with my sketch and I just want to grab a quick photo of this and bring it into Procreate. Add this photo so that I can sketch right over the top of my original drawing. And then I use Procreate to just do my digital inking and add some bold black line art to my original pencil sketch. Alright, so this wallet is very, very small and I want to kind of overlay my koala drawing onto this wallet because there's not really a way to sketch on it. I can't draw with a pencil on here. So I think I can use this Louis Vuitton pattern as kind of a rudimentary grid if I take a picture of this wallet and overlay my concept art on there. So let's try and do that. Photo of this. Alright, so got my photo. Let's go back to Procreate and we'll go here, insert a photo, this one. Drag this below my inks. So we'll take our inks here and duplicate it and then hide that. Go ahead and try and make this guy a little smaller. Okay, there's my little koala dude chilling. And yeah, I can see that his ear cuts through this little star symbol. His hat kind of slices through that middle dot there. And I'll be able to use this background as sort of a little grid for myself to try and get my koala on there somewhat to scale. And I think I'm just gonna sketch with the actual leather paint. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. So that's the plan. And now I'm gonna work on something for this side. So I was gonna do a whole nother character for the other side, but the wallet is so small and I did want to leave some of that Louis Vuitton background showing through, so I just started to do this sort of mashup of symbols of decadence and riches and different things that you guys suggested on the Instagram Live. So I couldn't figure out how to sketch this onto the wallet, so I just ended up using a super tiny brush and the actual leather paint. Yeah, I usually don't sketch with paint. I sketch with a pencil or a paint marker or something like that, but since these are on leather, I couldn't really do that. The trickiest part about this wallet is it's just so dang tiny. It's like smaller than the size of a postcard. Every single detail was super duper tiny. You guys can see in this footage that my hand looks like gigantic compared to this painting. And yeah, it was just tricky working so small with all these little intersecting details. But on the bright side, I didn't use much paint on this, so I guess that's a plus. For the paints on this bad boy, I'm using the Angelus leather paints, and I think they're pretty rad. I love the consistency. They have really nice coverage. They blend well. They're kind of like a liquidy consistency. This is my third time using these Angelus paints, and whenever I paint on leather, that's kind of what I go for. I've never used any other leather paints. From what I understand, Angelus is kind of like the king of leather paints anyway, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But yeah, I think I got this pack, this like sampler pack from Amazon, or maybe I got it from their website. But yeah, Angelus paints are pretty dope. I like them, and I'm having a good time painting with them. Ooh, this wallet is just so small. Everything is like a tiny little detail, but I'm almost done. So let's just finish this thing up and start my career as a fashion mogul. So yeah, pretty much done. Just gotta paint this koala. Actually, the drawing of the koala, I ended up liking it a lot, and I turned it into a t-shirt illustration and colored it in and turned it to a bit more of a design. And the t-shirts of this are actually available on my website right now, and proceeds from this shirt will go to benefit the Australian wildfire relief. Also, when this wallet is done, it's gonna be up on my website, and 100% of the sale of the wallet is also gonna go to the Australian wildfire relief. So you can check that stuff out at 1000art.com. The t-shirts and the one-of-a-kind wallet are gonna be on my website. So yeah, save some koalas, y'all. Ready to put this leather finisher on there. This is like the final step, but I used this last time and it's a little bit glossy. It's a little bit shiny for my liking. I want it to be a bit more of a matte finish, so I ordered some of this matte finish. It should be here today, which gives us some time for me to tell you that this video is brought to you by Squarespace. I really think that every artist needs a super dope website where they can show off their portfolio, where they can have an online shop, where they can have a contact form so people can email them and commission them to make super dope art. It's like your front-facing window to the world, and I love Squarespace. I use Squarespace. I've built like 5 websites on Squarespace. My main website, 1000art.com, is built on Squarespace. It's super easy. Check it out. You don't have to know HTML. You don't need to know how to code. They have these beautiful, elegant templates that are very simple. They leave lots of room for your art to shine. All you gotta do is plug your awesome content into their beautiful templates, and you've pretty much built a website. You can sell your art online. My online shop is like the center of my whole business, and I put a bunch of my art on a bunch of cool merchandise, and I use Squarespace to get that into your hands. They have portfolios and galleries if you want like cool slideshows, if you want to show off your art. And in those galleries, they have automatic image scaling. So when you put your content in there, it makes it look pretty and beautiful and not all janky. Squarespace is all about the not janky. Maybe they should change their tagline. Squarespace, you guys can have that one for free. Squarespace, not janky. So if you're ready to build your own beautiful website, go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to sign up, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. Squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase, y'all. It's time you had an awesome website. Check out Squarespace. Thank you so much, Squarespace. But let's get back to it. Let's finish up this wallet. Here we go. All right, it is here. Got the matte finisher, so that should be a little bit better. Let's go ahead and finish this thing up. All right, well, it's been drying for a while and I think it's done. You guys ready to check it out? Let's go. Well, that's it for this one. This project was super fun. I had a blast painting that wallet. The wallet and the t-shirts are on my website, 1000art.com. 100% of the proceeds from the wallet is gonna go to the Australian Wildfire Relief Fund, the Australian Red Cross, and 20% of the profits from the t-shirts are also gonna go for the Australian Wildfire Relief. We can do some good in this world, so let's make it happen with art. Yes! Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to support me for as little as $2 a month, you can check out my Patreon and get exclusive access to behind-the-scenes stuff that you can't get anywhere else. I'm 1000. If you like this video, leave a like. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of the wallet. I think it turned out pretty cool. I always love working with the Angelus Leather Paints and paint on strange objects. You know it's something that I love to do on this channel. I do it a whole bunch. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and you can even ring the bell if you want to know exactly when the next video is coming out. Appreciate you guys. Who's gonna get that wallet? Go check it out, 1000art.com. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at 10hun. Peace out. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Boom. Cool. You know the jungle has its rules. And I just gotta keep it. Oh, by the way, I got a random comment from Q Del Moro, and they said that they watch all my videos with their son Owen, and that Owen would be super happy if I gave him a shout out. So shout out to Owen. Thank you for watching my videos. And you probably won't see this because it's at the very end of the video. And according to my YouTube analytics, there's like a 10% chance that anyone is even seeing this. But here's your shout out. Hope you stuck around to the end, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you grow up to be an awesome, creative person that fulfills all your dreams, and you take over the world with love and happiness, and yeah, shout out Owen.